All right, y'all. We are live on this beautiful Thursday morning. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed, as Bitcoin is getting a bit of a move to the downside, guys. And your boy is in a fresh long, $200,000 fresh long. Already hit a TP1 on this thing, and I am still, of course, holding the longs, guys, from the other trades that I'm currently in, the setups that were given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, like this long and this long. Now the question is Bitcoin going to dump or is it going to pump? Well, it really depends on what happens right here in this box, because things are coming down to the wire. Is Bitcoin about to get a massive retrace? We're at all-time highs. Are people going to start to take profits? We're going to be talking about that and more. But first, a huge shout out to everybody in the chat, and a huge shout out to the sponsors of the channel. First of all, a huge shout out to CryptoFace and Market Cipher. All right, guys, Market Cipher, best trading indicator on TradingView. Absolutely love it. Also, shout out to ZoomX, guys. Currently, the exchange, I am in these juicy long trades right now on ZoomX. Guys, these profits are absolutely insane. All right, they're absolutely insane. Like, for the entire month of March, I am literally up right now. Man, I can't even do the math right now, but it's a lot of money. All right, tens of thousands of dollars trading these setups that we've been given in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Also, you know, a huge shout out to my other exchange, MEXC. All right, MEXC, best deal on fees you could possibly find right here. MEXC also up massively in profits on the month, guys. Locking in these trades, doing it here, doing it live, baby. All right. Also, a huge shout out to BingX, currently in trading on BingX in a hedge short right now on BingX. Speaking of BingX, guys. Okay, speaking of BingX, if you sign up to BingX using my affiliate link, there's a special deal where you can get up to $6,200 for trading. All right, MEXC also has 1,500 altcoins that you can buy. It's a pretty great deal. And guys, a huge shout out to Big Butts 28 for carrying the Casper baby in her uterus. Okay, her uterus. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. He says 78K top. Also, guys, huge shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord, because we did take some trades. In fact, we took a live trade this morning, and we have been given these juicy setups all along the way. And if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click the link to join the best trading community in the world, where we have multiple instructors giving you their setups, doing live streams, trading stocks, futures, crypto, and more. Plus, we're the friendliest, most thrivingest community in the world. As Bitcoin is struggling at support, we're going to be getting into this here, guys. This trade right here, I have the stop loss under the low. All right, let's see if I get stopped out live on YouTube. All right, huge shout out to everybody in chat. Shout out to Iggy's Donor. He says good morning. Shout out to Ben. He says 93K top. Shout out to Bullish on Parade, who says chart the Bitcoin dominatrix. Shout out to Mr. Green 421. Shout out to Eddie S. Bitcoin only traded at 60K for 3 days or so. Will correct and then pump. Don't fall for the FOMO. Wait till the drop. Yeah. All right. Shout out to Crypto Crank. I'm really considering selling spot, dude. We need to pull back. I haven't sold any Bitcoin yet. I am 20% out of my spot Bitcoin right now, guys. I am 20% out of my spot Bitcoin. And guys, as usual, if we can get 1,000 likes within the first 30 minutes of this stream, we will absolutely be giving away 1,000 USDT. So everybody, go ahead and like the stream, all right? Especially you complainers out there who complain, say we didn't get the giveaway. Well, go like the video right now. All right, go like the video right now. Shout out to Zidane Banderia from Angola. What's going on, my man? I hope I pronounced your name right, but there's a 99% chance I pronounced it wrong. Shout out to I Need My COD. DCA every day. COD. I'm all about COD. All right? Cod liver oil. It's good. It's good for you, some people say. All right? Why did I take the long Tony Z? Well, we had a key level down there, and we had some bull divs. That's why. This is actually the second long trade that I've taken today. I've actually taken 2 long trades today. I took another scalp right here. That one got stopped out in a profit, and now I'm in another scalp from right here. We came down to a key level. It was a daily level of support. We had some low time frame bull divs. And basically, once I saw that we were reclaiming the previous low, I said, you know what? Might as well just go for it, man. Might as well just go for it. What do I have to lose? All right, huge shout out to Pramadita Mika Maka Muka Singh. Could we check out Solana? Yes, we can, bro. I didn't hear you the first time, so thank you for telling me another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. My friend, shout out to Yolanda Ranger. Wants to take a look at Near. Yeah, we could look at Near. We're going to be looking at some altcoins. Shout out to Thomas. Shout out to Bullish on Parade again. He says, if you don't hit the like, it means you have baby arms. Oh, man. Now that's an insult. Okay? Huge shout out to Crypto Coons holding it down on the wrench. Shout out to Arabong Bizdak, bearish div on the 4. Yeah, man. Yep. We're going to get into this Bitcoin TA. I'm going to be telling you exactly what I'm looking at here, and why I'm even right now I'm hedging myself with a short here because I'm hedging myself with a short because I do think there's a chance that we do see a bit of a correction here. All right, so I'm hedging myself with a short. I am not taking profit on the short. It's literally just a hedge. And, again, the reason why I'm doing this here is because we did make another CDW of the high with some bearish divs. And for me, I'm, over $400,000 long on Bitcoin. I have multiple Bitcoins on spot. And so I just want to make sure that I am not going to get totally wrecked in the event of a pullback. Okay, huge shout out to Jason Castro. Yo, Jay, anything to write home about on Filecoin? We can take a look at Filecoin, my man. Personally, I'm still hodling some Filecoin. Shout out to Divinehood. All right, Bitcoin getting a little bit of a bounce right now. Okay, Bitcoin getting a little bit of a bounce right now. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens here. We are gonna see. This is a key level. Now, you guys remember yesterday. All right, remember yesterday when we were discussing our relationship, me and Bitcoin's relationship, how basically Bitcoin and me, we were in a dating relationship, and I asked Bitcoin out at $15,500, and she said yes, things were great, but then, I'll be honest with you guys, I got complacent in the relationship. I let myself go. I stopped leaving Bitcoin little notes and sticking them next to the place where she brushes her teeth in the morning and stuff like that, and I stopped buying her flowers. I just got complacent, acting like a slob, burping in her face, farting right next to her. You know how it gets, guys, when you're in a relationship, right? And so Bitcoin started to say, Jason, I don't know if this is going to work, all right? But then we had this white box of support. This white box of support, what is this? All the memories of the good times. This is the memories of our first date, our first kiss. The first time we went on a hike in the woods. We had such a wonderful time. And Bitcoin was reminiscing, oh, Jason, I really do love you. And I told her, Bitcoin, I can change. I can change. I'm going to start not farting around you. I'm going to take a shower. Maybe not every day now, but at least once a week. And so it was holding support. In fact, yesterday, you guys saw this. We took the long trade. We locked in the profits. But guess what? Guess what happened? Unfortunately, we come up to the high again last night, and we get something called a chicken's drinking water pattern. All right? At first, things were great, right? At first, I did stop farting around her. It was nice. But then I started to eat a lot of beans, and I got gas. Now look at this. Whenever you form a level like this, a high, and then the price comes above that level and then closes the candle below, it's called a chicken's drinking water pattern. A chicken's drinking water pattern. All right, it's a very important pattern that we need to be aware of. In fact, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys actually why it's called the chicken's drinking water pattern. Okay, because what happens is the price, right? It comes up above this yellow water level and then real quick comes right back down. It's the same exact way the way a chicken drinks water. If you guys ever seen a chicken drink water, what she does, all right, is she comes over to the water, and I have lots of chickens, all right, and she takes her beak, she dips in the water real quick, and then laps it on up, right? Look at this. Bam! Into the water. Okay, this is what the price did last night when it just for a second took out the high. And we thought things were going to be good for our relationship. But look at this. Lapped it right back up. Gave it all back. Just as we thought things were going good between me and Bitcoin, your boy Jason Casper lets a big one rip right in the car, right here. She says, that's it, Jason. I'm done with you. Now we are back to our box of memories, remembering our first date at Olive Garden with the crusty pasta. We're trying to hold on for dear life on this marital relationship. We're going to counseling. We're talking it over. Okay? And here's something else that we need to keep in mind about this Bitcoin price action, guys. All right? The overall context here is that we had an ascending triangle. We had an ascending triangle with a clear horizontal resistance, a clear diagonal support. We got a breakout of the triangle, a retest of the triangle, but now we're struggling to make higher highs. And this is showing a little bit sign of weakness here, okay? Now, something else I want to bring to your attention is the fact that the Bitcoin price is in fact trading in a parallel channel, all right? Look at this. We connect these highs together, right? We can connect all these highs together and these lows together. And we see that, yes, Bitcoin is in fact respecting this parallel channel. Now, here's the thing that makes me a little bit nervous about Bitcoin right now. Typically, when we have a big breakout, you know, we broke out at 20K, and bam, we just went straight to the stratosphere, through the Van Allen radiation belts to the moon. Van Allen radiation belts had not been discovered yet, so it was no problem with the rocket ship. And here's the thing. This time, what are we doing after breaking all-time highs? We are forming a parallel channel, and every time we make another high, it's just a little bit higher, and we're forming just a little bit more bearish divergence. And not only that, we're getting these big retracements every time. It's a little bit different, and we have to acknowledge the fact that, yes, this time is a little bit different, all right? It's a little bit different this time. Let's check on our Bitcoin trade. Still in the green, baby. Still in the verde. What do you say, man? Sorry. This time is different. Why? Because Bitcoin's hit an all-time high before the halving. Or is it the halving or the halvening? Both sound cool. All right? The halvening-ing. Before the halvening-ing. We've never seen this happen before, guys. And also, we are getting overextended here. So if we lose our box of support, then I expect Bitcoin to get a move back down to the bottom of this channel. Okay? To the bottom of the channel. Because right now, not only is this box of support a box of photographs, all right? But it's also the Fibonacci 786, the Fibonacci Golden Pocket. We have a daily order block right here, and it's the midline of this parallel channel. So we are hanging on for dear life, all right? We're hanging on for dear life. This is the context of Bitcoin now. Let's head on over to Market Cipher. Let's take a look at Market Cipher. Okay, because Market Cipher is also going to give us some information about this Bitcoin price action. Make sure to like the stream, guys. We got about 1,400 people in here, and we got about 400 likes. Again, we have 22 minutes. Okay. Wait, no, I'm sorry. We have 12 minutes to get 1,000 likes so we can do the $1,000 giveaway. Now, over here on Market Cipher, we got the same chart. I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay. As we are seeing the price get higher over time, we are also seeing Market Cipher beyond the 4 hours starting to get lower money flow, right? Like we saw right here, lower money flow as we made that slightly higher high, and technically even lower money flow from back here. Very slight. Actually, it's pretty much parallel. But we're also seeing some bear divs starting to form here, okay? So look, if we lose this box, guys, I'd say there's a pretty good chance we come down at least to the bottom of this parallel channel. Now, here's something else to keep in mind. This green line that you guys see on the chart here, this green line is the weekly VWAP. All right, let's remove the channel. Let's remove all this stuff. This thick green line that you see here is the weekly VWAP. Weekly VWAP has been major support since the big break on February 26th, 2024, which, by the way, is an epic long setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord from this area, guys, from literally the exact bottom, because of the bullishness that we saw as we were coming down to this area. That weekly VWAP has been support besides this big fall through. So look, historically speaking, if we're going to really lose this weekly VWAP, this green line, we could see a big fall through, right? A big fall through, at least back down to the low of this channel, right? That's pretty much what's happened every time we lose that weekly VWAP, right? We lose it, we get a big move to the downside. We don't hold that, we get a big move to the downside here. Okay, now let's go to the 12-hour time frame. We are also seeing bearish div forming on the 12-hour time frame here, locally and more regionally. So look, I'm not saying we're going to dump All I'm saying is, compared to past Bitcoin all-time high breakouts, where we go straight up like a rocket, this time is a little bit different, guys. This time is a little bit different, right? We're kind of trading in this channel here, and we are at the key level that needs to hold, okay? We're at the key level that needs to hold. Now, something else, I'm going to go to the daily chart. We're going to go to the daily chart on Bitcoin. Money flow is still looking thick. In general, there is nothing bearish at all about this price action, right? There is nothing bearish at all about this price action, but we do have to acknowledge the fact that when you have something like this, okay, that means we are building up lots of liquidity below these lows. People are trailing their stop losses, adding to their trades, just adding and taking profits, adding and taking profits. How do I know? How do I know people are adding and taking profits, adding and taking profits? Because that's what your boy has been doing this whole time. Adding and taking profits, adding and taking profits, adding and taking profits, adding and taking profits, adding and taking profits. All right? Adding and taking profits. Right? That's what I've been doing ever since we gave the juicy setups from these lows, depending on how you look at that. Look, setup from 60K, I've been adding and taking profits, adding and taking profits. Eventually, I need to get punished for my concupiscence. Do I think this can go on forever? Of course it cannot. Bitcoin getting a bit of a retest. Trade in the red, baby. All right, trade in the red. Let's see, if I get stopped out, I'll get stopped out for about a $500 profit on this. About a $500 profit. So let's see. To the wire, through the fire, Bitcoin price might not go any higher. Maybe we've topped out. I hope I don't expire from all the stress. Okay. In the red, baby. Bitcoin's going straight to bed. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can you guys believe this? This Bitcoin dump that's happening. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Make sure to like the stream because we have 8 minutes left to get the $1,000 giveaway. All right. Huge shout out to Tony S. Huge shout out to Dave Digital. Maybe David 666. Maybe consider following Yeshua than who you're currently represent. Oh, Dave Digital. He's preaching, man. My man Dave Digital is a Bible thumper up in here. Just like me. I got a big Bible to thump around. All right. I got a big, old King James pulpit Bible up in here. I'm looking right at it. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Are we going to get stopped out on this one? Oh my goodness. Oh wowzers. Oh man. The pain and the torment and the anguish. Let's check out this order flow chart here, guys. Okay, it's actually not looking pretty bullish. It's looking pretty neutral actually, but I mean in general here, in general, you could say from this move that the shorts are in control, baby. The bears are in control. We have an increase of negative delta, increase of open interest. The shorts are kind of ruling the party over here. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! All right, it's over. Oh, Bitcoin. Okay. All right, guys, man. I've been flopping and groping a little bit here. All right, look. I've been flopping and groping a little bit here, okay? We've been taking these trades. All right, we have been taking these trades here. All right? In general, we've been taking these trades. All right, been taking the big wins, the small losses. All right? Basically, ever since the beginning of March, been taking the wins. You know, made about 4K, lost about 300, made another like 7K, lost 1,000, made another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7K, lost about 2,000, made it 2,000 back, made 1,600 back, made 500 back. Overall, guys, we're in the profits for the month on this account, all right? So look, you take some losses, you take some wins, all right? Over here, this has actually been a really a good month for your boy Jason Casper. All right. Let's see, for the rest of March. Look at these. The month of March, baby. We've been short and we've been long in Bitcoin. All right. Currently in a hedge short for Bitcoin as well. Up over 9,000 United States dollars. Man. Okay, so this is my hedge trade. I'm not gonna lose any money on this trade. This is just a hedge trade. Because look, here's the thing. I am still holding and hodling these long trades. So I am not taking any profits on the short yet because I'm still hodling these long trades. And guys, this is crazy too, because like honestly, let's see, we go back. Let's see what these dates here. This is all from March. This is all from one trade. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. About $20,000 just from this one trade here, from the setup that we gave in the Casper crew. Made about 20K, still have 8,000 unrealized. All right. This trade right here, this is inverse perpetual. I can't do math, but made almost a Bitcoin on this trade as well. So we are crushing it. All right, we are losing our box. Looks like me and Bitcoin, our relationship is over. Okay, where are we looking for support next? Let's take a look here. Oh my goodness, Bitcoin taking a massive dump. Scary stuff. Make sure to like the stream. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Shout out to Tate. Tate, I feel like you're just a troll, bro, because every time you come in here, you say you lost an insane amount of money. I don't believe it, man. I don't believe it. Shout out to Divine Hood. All right, he says, Jason, I posted in the advanced channel, but it's the 2-day chart showing the 1.618 channel extension. It shows we might be starting a major correction. Well, look at that, guys. We are dumping like a wild lady in distress right now. All right, this hedge short that I took on Bitcoin earlier this morning after seeing the CDW and some bear signs, I said, you know what? It's more risky for me not to hedge myself here than it is to hedge. All right, we are up right now, $10,500 US. We still got the longs going strong, baby, but they might get stopped out. All right, we are watching Bitcoin, and we are going to be taking a look. Where are we going to be finding support? Okay, I'm up $26,000 on these longs. I'm keeping them open, guys. I'm keeping these longs open. I'm up 26K on these longs. All right, already realized. Probably close to 80, 90K on these longs already. So if they do get stopped out, I do not care because I've already taken about 80K, all things considered, on these longs here. So I'm not concerned. But here's the thing. Where is our support going to come? All right. Let's take a look. Let's take a look right now. Where is this support going to come? Is Bitcoin going to bounce, or is Bitcoin going to dump all the way back down to zero? I'll be honest with you guys. I will be honest with you. When I just look at this chart, and I always try to be honest, let's take a look at the chart here. All right, let's take a look at the chart. Make sure to like the stream, guys. We got 2 minutes. If everyone likes the stream in 2 minutes, we are going to be giving away 1,000 USDT. All right? Okay. All right, so honestly, here's one area. Fibonacci Golden Pocket retest. Coming right down around 64K. But here's something else, guys. I would say that, all things considered, $70,000 is still going to be a key support for me. Because $70,000 is still this area of support, right? It was resistance many times. Once, twice, 3 times. It was support once. And now, it very likely could be support again, okay? In addition to this, we can force some fibs to fit here, right? We can take a fib from this last swing low to our current swing high, and it does line up nice with the next Fibonacci Golden Pocket, right? So right around 70K, this is going to be, honestly, the next place that I'm interested in a Bitcoin bounce from, all right? Right around that area. Right around that area. Huge shout out to everybody in the chat, okay? Shout out to Crypto Zorro. Shout out to MDRM. Shout out to CT, says smash the like fire. Shout out to Crypto Knights, I could use $1,000. Shout out to Dr. Shib. Will Bitcoin price half on the halving? Oh, maybe. I don't know. Scary stuff, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. Whew. Man, I'm getting old. Look at all these wrinkles, guys. Look at these wrinkles. Look at these old tattoos, sunburned and everything. Thought it was a good idea when I was young, all right? Now they look like a whole bunch of green old nonsense on my arm. What is it even? I don't know. What a waste of money. Sheesh. Shout out to Eddie S. Shout out to Todd Stalder. He says Superverse got cool AAA game. Don't know what that is. Shout out to W. He says, love the stream. Shalom, brother. Shalom to you, W. Shalom. Ma shlomcha. Ani mekaveh shehakol beseder etcha. Ani mekaveh shehakol metzuyan etcha. Brachot lacha b'shem Yeshua HaMashiach. All right, we are taking a dump on this Bitcoin price, guys. So remember, 70K. 70K. All right. 70K is going to be our next place where I'm looking for support. And that does mean I am going to stay in this long here because my entry is below 70K. All right, so let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens. All right, huge shout out to everybody in chat. Shout out to your average crypto bro, my man in the chat. Shout out to Aphrodite, says this dip is great. Like Dippin' Dots. Shout out to BingX, by the way, guys. Trading on BingX, if you sign up using my affiliate link, they gave a special deal for Jason Casper. You can get up to $6,200 to trade with. All right, shout out to Swashbuckling Scallywag. He says, Jesus is Lord. Amen. I can amen to that all day. He is the creator, God, the Lord. Absolutely. I can amen that all day, my friend. All right. Let's see what's going to happen, guys. All right. We got the short hedge. We've lost our box. Remember, our relationship box. Bitcoin, we were looking at this box right here. To basically, this white box is the only thing that could save our relationship. Me and Bitcoin in a dating relationship, things were getting rocky. Again, I got complacent in the relationship, stopped showering, stopped leaving her notes, stopped telling her jokes, started farting around her. You know, stopped taking care of myself, stopped going to the gym, getting fat, getting lazy, you know. And she said, I've had enough, Jason. And we know now that we've lost the box, there's a mourning period, right? I'm going to text her again, hey, can we get back together? She'll probably say no. And then we need to wait for the next area of support, which is going to be coming in my opinion, right around this Fibonacci Golden Pocket, right around $70,000. So we have another box of support because sometimes all you need is a break. Distance makes the heart grow fonder. All right, distance makes the heart grow fonder. Maybe she'll start to miss me. Maybe she'll start to realize that her ex-boyfriend, who she's probably running back to, her ex-boyfriend is this guy right here, Sam Bankman-Fried. She'll realize she doesn't like criminals. She doesn't like guys who are locked up in jail. So that's my next downward target. I am not long in Bitcoin. I am not touching the long button unless we come down to around that $70,000, guys. Then I am touching the long button with 2 fingers. Okay? Well, you know, shout out to my man K-Pax in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, because my man K-Pax, all right? What did he do? He posted something silly. Shout out to K-Pax. He posted something silly. Let's see if I can find it. Where is it? I can't find it now. Well, man, don't you just hate it when you can't find what you're looking for when you're live on the internet? Ah, here we go. Shout out to my man K-Pax in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. He asked Bybit to replace his short button with a long button, even his stop losses. So now every time he starts flopping and growing to try and close his long trades in panic, he doubles his position. All right, this is what I'm going to do. 2 fingers on the 2 long buttons once Bitcoin comes down to 70K. If we get the dump down to 70K. We may not. We may not. But I'll be honest with you. Losing this box is not very strong in my opinion. Let's take a look right now at what's happening on good old-fashioned Market Cipher B. All right, let's do some top-down analysis. Then we can take a look at some altcoins, maybe, perhaps. All right. Shout out to JLB4288. Shalom, my friend. God bless you. 70,600 is a golden pocket on his chart, says Divine Hood. Why not? Why 70K on yours? Are you talking about this golden pocket here? Yeah, that is the wow. So that is a nice level. I'll tell you why, Divine Hood, because I like 70K better. That's all I can say, man. I like 70K better. Yeah, we might bounce from this golden pocket. Honestly, we might. And that's fine. That's fine. But I like 70K better. I like it better. But yeah, this actually is a nice level. Now that I'm looking at it, let's see some other stuff here. I don't like how it's under value area low. I don't like how it's under value area low. Alright, let's get this thing to load here. I don't like how it's under value area low, but I guess you could say 70K is in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, shout out to Divine Hood. Alright, Divine Hood given a level right here. 70,600 Fibonacci golden pocket. You know what? Divine Hood, if we dip down to that level, maybe I'll push the long button for your sake, my friend. I'll push the long button for your sake. Let's take a look at Market Cipher B. Now, this morning, things were not looking bullish, even though we got some bounces. Here's what I do have to say about this. The 1 hour time frame to me right now does not look very bullish, right? We've got the money flow and the momentum waves getting lower as price makes a new high, giving us the upside down Sam Bankman-Fried breast bearish pattern here. All right? It usually happens when you think things are going very well. You're making billions of dollars, you're doing drugs in the Bahamas, and you don't notice the imbalance in the pectoral muscles. All right? Bitcoin's making all-time highs, but eventually it needs to come to an end. And so we do see this bearish pattern forming here on the 1 hour. When we go down to lower time frames, like the 24-minute, money flow is coming out here, which I don't like to see. And look at that bearish divergence we made at that high that we put in earlier. I feel like we get a little bit more downside here. Go to the 12-minute. Look at the money flow on the 12-minute. This is not what I want to see for a major reversal coming in right here. This is not what I want to see. Money flow getting lower. This is not what I want to see. This is not what I want to see. Let's go to the 6-minute. Look at the 6-minute money flow. We are forming pig niplet divergences here. All right, no one would deny the fact that we are forming pig nipple divergences. All right, let's take a look at the pig nipples here. Okay, here we go. We got the pig nipples right here. All right, let's pop those onto the chart. No one would deny that we've got the pig nipple bullish pattern forming down here, but okay, here's the thing. This money flow is actually showing us, is the milk tank full or empty? When the money flow is coming lower, that means there's less milk inside those teats, which means the baby piggies, although suck as they may, they are not going to partake in the goodness flowing through that contains the enzymes and the proteins and the fats and the carbohydrates and the stem cells and all this good stuff in the colostrum to support a healthy young piglet. You know? But nonetheless, here we come down to the golden pocket. The Divine Hood level right here. Oh my goodness, and we're here right now. We are here right now. Let's go to the 1 minute. 1 minute, giving us some slight bull div here. We might get a little bit of a bounce, Roni. Right from the Divine Hood level here. Look at this. Look at that bounce. I'm not long in it, guys. I'll be honest with you. I am not long right now. I'm not opening up a fresh long right now. Not right now, I'm not. All right. I'm already in juicy profit for the day. I'm not interested in this level. I'm interested in a tad bit lower here. I want to wait until our 6 minute is starting to show that there is milk inside these pig niblets. All right, not saying we can't bounce from here. So if you have a plan to long from here, you do you. This is not a financial advice channel. I'm just a guy on here. Pikachu hat, okay? Plunger on the face, okay? A dirty plunger. I used it this morning, okay? So I'm just a crap face YouTuber out here. Here to shill Market Cipher. And by the way, speaking of shilling Market Cipher, shout out to Crypto Face because he hooked it up with a discount code. If you use the coupon code Casper20, Casper20 with all capital letters. Let me pop in the chat. You get 20% discount off Market Cipher if you use my affiliate link. All right, so boom, boom. I'm gonna pop it in the chat here. All right. Luke from Toros Crypto wants 64K. Huge shout out to Luke from Toros Crypto. All right. Huge shout out to Luke from Toros. Yeah, so 70K, guys, that's my level. Man, we got about 2,000 people in the chat, guys. Smash the likes. We didn't reach our criterion of likes. But who's the spammer in the chat? J-Boy Bullish. We got some spammers in the chat. Shout out to Fiber Splice God, all right? People ask me, Jason, how do you trade on BingX in the United States? Well, you just do, guys. I mean, look, you just do, and it'll say, you're restricted. I'm restricted. I'm restricted. But you know what? You just do. You know, that's the thing. That's how everything in my life has happened. I just do stuff, and it works. You know, if you just start doing stuff, it might start to work for you, all right? Let's see. Shout out to this man, Daniel. He just took a long trade. My box is holding, says Yoel H. All right, let's take another look at the box. All right. Yeah. You're talking about the golden pockets holding. Yeah, we've got the local golden pocket holding here, guys. This golden pocket actually could give us a bounce here. Looks like the 6 minute is going to print us a green dot. Last green dot we got in the 6 minute did give us a bounce. Dot before that gave us a bounce. Okay, we might get a bounce here, and it might be a significant bounce. Now, let me explain my mentality here for anybody watching, okay? The reason I am not taking a long trade here is because I am already in multiple long trades. I think things look kind of weak, and I've already made my profits for the day, so I'm not interested in longing here. I'm already in 2 Bitcoin long trades. I have no reason to long this. If I was in no trades, I would maybe go for a scalp on this one, guys. But we have to also understand that this is our resistance right here, okay? So if we do long here, we're longing right into resistance. For me, a better opportunity, and we might not get it, all right? We're not guaranteed it, but a better setup for me would be something like this. Come up, maybe take out the last lower high, and then come back down to back test that value area low, and then I could look to get into a long trade from right around here, okay? The reason I was comfortable longing this low and longing this low is because we had clear levels on the chart right there, and we were coming down to the low of the range, right? To the low of the range. Now we've lost the low of the range, and so I'm not as comfortable taking a trade here. And yes, we do have the Fibonacci golden pocket here. And actually, yes, this does look like a pretty nice level. I will be honest with you. This has been support once, twice, and now the 3rd time. Okay, so we actually might get a bounce from here. But I personally not taking a long trade from here right now. J-Boy Bullish also likes 70K better. I personally do like 70K. What's happening with CVD? All right, let's check out the CVD. Let's check out the CVD. All right, let's see. We have longs coming in like crazy here, guys, actually. We've got lots of longs opening up here. Yeah, we have about 9.1 million longs opening up in this candle. 9.1 million longs opening up right here. So 9.1 million longs. We have a lot of shorts that have opened up along the way down here. So these longs are trying to fight with a bunch of shorts. They might win. I don't know. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. All right, reclaiming 71,350. 71,350. That's gonna be key. That's gonna be key. All right. Let's take a look back at our long trades here. Are these long trades going to pump? Again, we have been hodling through these long trades because as long as we don't lose my box here, I have no reason to close these trades. All right, so look, this white box was our key support on the way down. This is now going to be our key resistance on the way up. All right, this is going to be our key resistance along the way up. Shout out to all the super chats in the house. We got to take a look at the super chats. We got some huge super chats in here. First of all, a huge shout out to Jason Castro. We'll take a look at Filecoin. Shout out to callsign RX. He says sideways until halving. Shout out to Crypto Billy 111. He says hashtag givers gain, heart, fist pump. God bless. God bless you, Crypto Billy 111. God bless you, man. Thank you so much for being here in the stream. Wow. I appreciate that super chat very much, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Bitcoin pumping. Is Bitcoin pumping? I'm not looking at the chart. Give me 1 second here. Yeah, Bitcoin is struggling with this area of resistance. We got a lot of longs that have opened up here. Wow. 9.1 million of them. Let's wait and see what happens here, guys. I want to wait and see, okay? There's a few instances that could happen right now that would actually get me into a long trade. I know I said I wasn't going to long, but there's a few things that could happen right now that would get me into a long trade, okay? There's a few things right now that would get me into a long trade. One of those things, well, there's two things, all right? One of those things is taking out all those 9 million longs and then stopping them out and then getting moved to the upside. That would actually potentially get me to take an actual long here. Second thing that would take much more time is get a move up, reject from the POC of the range, come back down to retest the value area low of the range into the Fibonacci golden pocket, and then I could say, all right, I'm going to long a higher low after an official move back inside of the range. Those are the only two ways I will take a fresh long right now. Other than that, I'm going to be sitting on the sidelines in my current long trades, which I still have open, which I still have $30,000 of unrealized profits running. So let's see what's going to happen with the Bitcoin. Still holding the short as a hedge trade, guys. All right, still holding this short trade as a hedge. About $300,000 in a short. I am going to close this short out for a very minimal loss as a hedge against my current long trades. All right. We have to take a look at Filecoin for our man with the super chat. Let's take a look at Filecoin. Let's take a look at Filecoin. Wow, Filecoin breaking out, man. Filecoin is breaking out. So huge shout out to everybody here because, look, we've been looking at Filecoin for a long time. We gave the buy zone in this box. We are currently up right now about 90%. So if you've been following this channel, guys, you are up 90% on your Filecoin, right? We've been given some good calls, which is why you got to make sure to subscribe to the dang channel, guys. I mean, after all, we're very close to 200,000 subscribers. Extremely close. We're only like 80,000 away. All right? So it's very close, okay? But yeah, look at this, guys. Look at this, all right? We are, in my opinion, we are going to see Filecoin. First of all, we have hit the target of our breakout. So this is target number one. I'd say, for me, target number two is going to be right around here. Right around this support resistance flip that we have right around here at about 44 bucks. And then I'm going to be shooting for the highs around $90. All in all, that's about a 1,500%. You know, a 15x, guys, a 15x. That is what I am shooting for on this thing. Now, where would I look to get in? Because we have changed market structure here. This is a sign of strength. Breaking out of this trend line, what I like to do, simply just pull the Fibonacci, right? So for me now, I would only be buying Filecoin if we come back down into this area. Right around this golden pocket, basically the retest of the breakout. That's really what I would be looking for now. The retest of the breakout. That's the only other place I would buy Filecoin. Filecoin. All right, let's take a look at what is happening on this Bitcoin price action here. Wow, we still got a lot of longs here. Let's see how many. We had about 6 million shorts open up here. The shorts opened higher. All right, so we are at value area low of range right now. Getting a bit of a pullback here. Let's go ahead and pull a local Fibonacci from low to high right here. Okay, let's go ahead and pull a local Fibonacci from low to high. Perhaps we do something like this. This has been an exhilarating live stream, guys. Make sure to smash the likes. We got about 2,000 people in the chat, man. Wow, 2,000 people. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. We got people from all over the world here. Huge shout out to J-Boy Bullish. All right, people are shorting XRP. Like the dang stream, says Wes. Like the dang stream, says Wes. We got some dislikes in here. Shout out to the dislikes, but huge shout out to the likes. May God bless you guys in Jesus' name, even if you're not religious. Huge shout out to my people from Germany, from Poland. Wow, we got people from the Philippines up in here. Switzerland, Bulgaria. Shout out to Trapaholik from Bulgaria. Shout out to Israel from Nigeria. Shout out to Aphrodite from the Netherlands. And Flatmatic from London. BG from Miami. Shout out to Code of Harry from O-H and the other TJ from Florida. We got people from Amsterdam. A major shout out to Tuvia Ohana, who says, can you check Beanie on Solana? A hidden gem, maybe. Beanie? I never heard of it, but yeah, let's check it. Check it. I don't see anything, man. Beanie? Yeah, B-I-N-I. I don't see it, man. I don't see it, but thank you so much for the super chat. What is my body fat percent? I have no idea. Does anybody know their body fat percent? If you do, drop it in the chat. I have no idea. How would I know that? Alrighty. Okay. Getting another dump. We're coming to the golden pocket right now. This must hold. If we want to see Bitcoin higher, this must hold. Alright. Everybody who wants to be bullish, this must hold because we made our low, our high, our lower low, our higher high. This could be higher low. Alright. If this is going to give us a retrace, we got to hold this area here. Alright. Let's see. What's she going to do? 3-minute money flow looking not so great. 1 minute looking not too shabby. All right. 1 minute. This could be a potential 1 minute bounce bull div. Okay. Let's check out what's happening here on this. It's frozen. It's frozen. Frozen like a dang frozen pizza, man. Like a dang frozen pizza. Hang on. All right. Shout out to, we got some super chatters in the house, man. All right, we got some super chatters in the house. Huge shout out to Gideon, who says video game controller jumps up and down excitedly. I guess that's a super sticker. Thank you so much for that, Gideon. I appreciate that. And also a huge shout to Colin Robert. He says 50 off MC with code. All right, so this guy is shilling his own market cipher code in here, guys. So if you want a better discount than my discount, use this guy's code, okay? He's coming into the YouTube chat, shilling his own code. If you want to help this guy out, get him some affiliate money, use the code MCHD50 with his affiliate reference, okay? I don't care if you use his for a better discount or if you use mine. I do not care, all right? So shout out to my man shilling in the chat. But in the future, my friend, that's not very classy, all right? That's not very classy, okay? Just letting you know. Huge shout out to Digital Learners. He says, hold the Bitcoin. Mom and I love your channel. Well, shout out to Digital Learners' mom. God bless you and your mom. Hope you guys are doing great. All right, so again, guys, Bitcoin. If she's going to pump up from here, she must hold this exact level. Okay? She must hold this exact level. Let's go to our 6-minute. It could. I'm personally not looking to open up a freshie. I'm not opening up a freshie until 70K. All right? We are short on Bitcoin. We are short on Bitcoin. We are also in a few long trades on Bitcoin, guys. Okay, these long trades combined together, setups given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord at jasoncaspertrading.com. Up right now, over $80,000 in profits of realized profits, just under 30K of unrealized profits. Absolutely insane. And then still got the head short open. So if we dump from here, guys, we are in a nice position, right? We are schlonging it up, baby. Again, the fact that Bitcoin has lost this box is bearish to me. We are at a local support. I am looking for a potential bounce from here based on the Fibonacci golden pocket that we're coming to, but I prefer this next box better. This is the next area where I feel there's much more confluence. Okay, there's much more confluence down here. We are heading into noon. What does that mean, guys? Noon o'clock p.m. New York time. That means that the 4-hour candle is officially about to close. And this is an important close, guys. This is an important close because if we close below this box, I'd say that is a pretty bearish looking 4-hour candle, right? We're closing below the value area low of this range. I'd say that's a pretty bearish close. All right. But again, we're bouncing from local support, right? That's why we're getting a bounce here. We're coming down to the local Fibonacci golden pocket based on the 12-minute money flow. All right. Shout out to my man CryptoFace in the chat. He says, hair on fleek. Good morning. Is my hair, are you talking about my hair? What does that mean, hair on fleek, bro? I'm not cool enough for that. You're talking about someone else's hair? All right. Guys, huge shout out to CryptoFace. Huge shout out to Market Cipher. All right, best indicator you could use on TradingView. Hands down, by far, the Market Cipher indicator has made me more money trading than anything else. Than any other kind of indication you could use. Because it tells you what's going to happen before it happens. Because of the money flow. Right now, that's why I'm looking for lower here. Money flow getting lower. That's why I was looking for lower this morning. Even though I took 2 long trades today. Scalp long, scalp long. The money flow was saying lower. Money flow is still saying lower to me. 1 hour dancing on the line, but on the lower time frames. On the lower time frames, I think maybe 70K. All right. We'll have to wait and see. Look, this box, this is the box of delineation here. This is the box of delineation. Huge shout out to CryptoFace. Thank you so much for the super chat, bro. I really do appreciate you, man. I really, really do. CryptoFace is the man. All right. Let's see here. We got a few other super chats. Huge shout out to... All right, we got Tuvi up in here. We got Colin Roberts super chatting with his Market Cipher code. Shout out to Gideon. Shout out to Overcome. You don't care if I buy yours or the competition. I don't care if you use my affiliate link or another competition. I don't care. Here's why I don't care. I appreciate anybody who wants to support my channel by using my affiliate codes to get Market Cipher. I really do appreciate that. But I'm not here to make affiliate money. And if you want to support me by giving me affiliate money, then great. Okay, but I'm not here to compete. All right, people have better codes than me. It is what it is, man. What can I say? What can I say? If I was in your situation, I would use the better code. What can I say? Does the Casper Crew community give out swing trades, or is it mostly day trades? It's mostly day trades, man, but a lot of times we'll say this could be a juicy swing, you know? It could be a juicy swing. So, we got people shilling their own affiliate links in my YouTube chat. That's not very classy, guys, all right? That's not very classy. right, huge shout out to Thor. We got Flopping Groper and we got Crypto Face in the chat. Where's Flopping Groper? I don't see. I see. All right, shout out to Flopping Groper in the chat. Shout out to Flopping Groper, guys. Make sure to go subscribe to Flopping Groper's YouTube channel. All right, he has 1.32 thousand subscribers. Let's get him up right now to 2,000 subscribers. If you guys want some quality content about trading, about life, about doing push-ups, just a comprehensive YouTube channel, in my opinion, that deals with a lot of different aspects of life, being a trader. Being a trader is a lot more than just come to the charts, guys. I absolutely love the content that Flopping Groper has been putting out over the past few months. All right, I'm an avid fan. I've watched all his videos and I've liked them all, as should you. All right, as should you. Shout out to Trader Dave. All right, look, this golden pocket is holding here. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm not opening up a new long here. Personally, I'm going to be looking for lower. All right, huge shout out to Trader Dave with the super chat. Thank you so much for the super chat, my friend. I appreciate you. God bless you. All right, huge shout out to Colin Robert. He says, hey, I understand the code thing I did was not the best. All right, he understands it's not the best. Okay, my man Colin, he understands it's not the best. He knows. All right, but look, he says, I'm legit just looking to make some side work. I love you, Jason, and I'm just in a HARS spot. Won't happen again, brother. Bro, look, man, I have no hate for you, okay? I really don't, man. I really don't. You gotta know, I really don't, man. All right. Shout out to Flopping Groper, guys. Make sure to go subscribe. All right. Shout out to the good fella for the super chat. We got the good fella up in here. He says, N video AI meme mooning. All right, let's check out the meme, the mooning meme. All right, let's check out the mooning meme up in here. All right, look at that, guys. Golden pocket hodling right now. We do have 4 quadruple bottom on the 12-minute. Look, if we pump from here, I'm not going to be shocked. And again, I've already laid out to you the 2 scenarios in which I will be looking to get into a long from here, okay? But right now, I'm not taking a freshie. I'm not. If we pump, that's fine, okay? I'm long from lower, but I want a little bit lower here. I want a little bit lower here, okay? And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I've been wrong. And I take it like a man. All right? A man who's majored in trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies, $500,000 in college debt, and can't get a job. That's how I'll take it if I'm wrong. All right? So let's check out our meme coin. Huge shout for the super chat, by the way. Trader Dave, Colin Robert. Thanks for the super chats, Colin Robert. All right. Bro, that's funny, man. That's funny, bro. Okay. All right, we got Nvidia. I don't see it here. I do not see it here, my friend. So, I apologize. I don't see it, but I do really appreciate the super chat. I do really appreciate the super chat. All right. Shout out to Preparing for War. God bless you, man, in Jesus' name. Preparing for War. I guess I somehow got all the way back to the top of the comments. He was one of the first people to comment. Huge shout out to Preparing for War. All right. Oh, Thor says that man looks a little weird. He looks a little weird, you know. But hey, he's just been through college. What do you expect, man? All right. Jason is long stop loss at entry. All right, let's see here, guys. Let's see. Bitcoin dumping. Let me get a handle. Head and shoulders on the 1 minute. Shout out to Crypto Dan. Shout out to Crypto Coons holding it down with the wrench. All right. All right, we got a head and shoulders on the 1 minute. Man, Bitcoin dumping again, baby. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here, guys. All right, let's get back to our chart. Let's get back to our chart. All right, we got about 2,100 people in the chat. Wow, you guys absolutely phenomenal. Look, the 1 minute is showing some bullish signs, but the 6 minute money flow, guys, I don't like. And here's the thing. Although we could bounce from here because it is a golden pocket, I would just really like to see us come down a little bit lower, okay? And continue to see some of these bullishnesses forming as we come to our lower level here. You know what I'm saying? Around that 70K. And if we pump from here, so be it. So be it! All right. Shout out to Crypto Crank. Shout out to David Brumblebow. And shout out to Soft Shell, who's shouting out Joel H, who says Jay Powell is talking at 2 p.m. He is the reason for the dump. Jerome Powell, our man JP, coming out hard. Coming out hard. Okay, coming out hard. Preparing for War is still in the chat. Cool, man. God bless you, Preparing for War. Crypto Dan. Shout out to Crypto Dan. Super jacked Crypto Dan. Wow, man, you're jacked, bro. You probably hit the gym. All right, let's get on some different music in here, okay? Here we go. Let's see if Bitcoin gets another little bit of a dump here. All right, huge shout out to Juan. Ooh, my voice cracked. He says, check out this meme coin. It's called, thank you for the super chat, by the way. It's called Mononoke Inu. Mononoke Inu. Mononoke Inu. Also, another super jacked guy. The Casper crew is the most jacked trading community in the world. Mononoke Inu on wrapped Ethereum. Well, the 6 minute chart looks interesting. Look at Market Cipher on the 6 minute chart, guys. This is called the I don't know. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go to the daily. Oh, nice, man. I mean, look, the gains on the daily. Wow. Could be making in 1 day, in a couple days. Look at this thing. Wow. Okay, let's go to the weekly, man. Mononoke Inu. Look, I don't know a dang thing about Mononoke Inu. All right. I don't know a dang thing about Mononoke Inu. We got negative E to the 13. It's taking me back to school times. I don't even know what that means anymore. Okay. Look, I don't know. Look, I don't know. My philosophy when it comes to buying potential moon bags for the bull market, I can't do analysis on this, my friend, okay? I'm sorry, I cannot. But here's the thing. My mentality when it comes to coins is my mentality when it comes to these types of coins, if you think it could be a bull market gem, does it hurt to throw a little bit of money at it? Enough money where if you lost it, it would suck, but it wouldn't hurt. You know what I'm saying? Like the other day, I just bought a whole bunch of HEX because it dumped. And I'm like, you know what? Is it gonna hurt if I throw a couple $1,000s into HEX? I'm already up 50%, by the way. But is it gonna hurt if I lost a couple $1,000s? No, it's not gonna hurt. But there's a lot of upward potential here. So look, if HEX has a resurrection, right? Maybe people, Richard Hart, he comes out again. He says, JK, LOL. Right? I don't know. I don't know a dang thing about this. But look, if it does pump, if you put a couple $100 in here, you could turn that into a lot of money. And if it dumps and you lose a couple $100, who cares? That's my philosophy of altcoin bull market investing. All right. My primary stuff is in the bigger cap coins. But if there's a coin that I see that has some potential, I just go for it. Like, what was the crazy one that we did a while ago? What did I buy? This retarded coin. Are you allowed to say retarded? No, everyone used to say retarded and it was no big deal, right? Now you say retarded, people are like, oh! You know? But look, Dark Shield, man. I bought this thing called Dark Shield. Back when? When did I buy that thing? In October, November? I think it was in October, because I think this little pump here happened because a whole bunch of people in the Casper crew just bought it. I'm pretty sure that's what happened right here. And, you know, now it's up. Now it's up quite a bit, man. So, look. I figured, because I look at this chart and I say to myself, I mean, you know, if I buy here and I lose 60%, then I don't care. But if it does hit all-time highs, I'm making 40,000%. So, you know, let's say you throw $100 in here and you make 40,000%. You know, that's like a 400x or whatever. But if you lose $75 with a potential 400x, yeah, it's a good risk to reward in my opinion, right? So that's my standard go-to answer for any kind of meme coin gem. If you guys have a meme coin gem out there, just, you know, put some in it. If you lose it, who cares? If you have $1,000, right? Let's say you have $1,000, right? Bitcoin's dumping. Let's say you have $1,000, all right? If you lose this $1,000, yeah, it sucks. You just lost $1,000, right? Now you pick 10 potential meme coin gems, and you take $100 and put it $100 into 10 different coins, all right? If one of those coins does a 50x, all right, that means you just 5x your profit. If every other coin if 9 of them go to zero, literally zero, and one of them does just a 50x, you just 5x your initial investment. Now, what are the chances that 10 coins are going to go to zero in a bull market? Very low. All right. The more realistic scenario is that some of them 50x, some of them pump up a couple 100%, and in general you made a lot of money. So that's my take on it, right? Super chill, low key. I'm not out here researching layer 3, 4 meme coin, extra cool, joining Discord groups, joining the XRP army, signing up, enlist me in the XRP army, gonna go fight Cardano. Cardano, oh no, forget you, Cardano. I'm in the XRP army. All right. Man, Bitcoin taking a dump right now, man. All right, let's take a look at the chart. Whew, man, this Bitcoin is taking a massive dump. Okay, so look, we're coming down low. Red dot on the 12. I'll be honest with you guys. I know I said I might long if we did this. I'm not long in this right now. I want to wait until a lower. All right, let's go to the 6. Yeah, I don't have enough conviction here, guys. I don't have enough conviction here. I want to wait until we get maybe like a 12-minute bull div, at least a nice 6-minute bull div, maybe a little bit lower here. Okay. Oh my goodness, Bitcoin. All right, guys, we're still holding on to these longs. Look, I'm losing money. I was up 30K on these longs. Now I'm only up, I guess, what is that? 17 plus like 23,000, 24,000. I just lost $6,000 ripped away from me in a matter of seconds because Bitcoin is dumping, and they told me it would just go straight up from here. They told me it would just go straight up. All right, so we're coming down now to our new white box. Look, guys, I said at the beginning of the stream, this is the box of photographs and memories, okay? Me and Bitcoin were having trouble in our relationship. Yesterday, we came down to the white box. This was the memories of our first date. We ate the crusty pasta at Olive Garden. All right, we went on a hike. We really got to know each other. We hit it off. And so when she remembered all the good times, she said, Jason, I forgive you for letting yourself go. I forgive you for now farting all the time around me, burping in my face, letting yourself go, not showering, not leaving me little notes in the kitchen and all this. She forgave me for it. But then chickens drank the water. I farted right in her face. She dumped me again. This time, when she was about to walk out the door, I said, but Bitcoin, remember our first date? She said, screw it, Jason. I'm done with you. All right? And we came down, we came back, we back tested, we texted each other once. She just reassured me she was over with me. Now we're waiting for our next area of support. Right around 70K. All right, right around 70K. Okay, now again, look, if we bounce from here, whatever, I'm still in these longs. I'm not closing these longs unless we lose 70K. All right, I'm not closing this long unless we lose 70K. All right, but for right now, I'm feeling it's smelling bearish to me, guys. It's smelling bearish. Yo, Bitcoin dumping, getting me scarish. You smell the smell and it starts to smell bearish. Got the red candles going straight down into the ground. Can you hear the sound of the bulls starting to cry? They told me Bitcoin going up, it's only gonna fly, but now we're dumping. What happened to the pumping? I don't know. Now we're just slumping and going down straight into the ground. Got my big smile turned up into a frown. Bitcoin going straight to 70K, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, ayy. I don't know, look, maybe we hold this golden pocket. All right, maybe we hold the golden pocket. George says open a long. Bro, I'm not gonna open a new long right here, all right? I'm not gonna open a new long right here. I stay true to my trading plans, all right? I stay true to my trading plans. True to my trading plans. True to my trading plans. All right. Let's see if we can't get a better beat. I want to get a better beat. I want a good beat, you know? I feel like I want to freestyle to something good. Does anyone have a good beat for me to freestyle to? Pop it in the chat. Pop a good beat in the chat. I'll do a freestyle. Pop a good beat in the chat. Let me do a freestyle over it. Genius 618 with a chat, a beat for me to chat. Oh, you know what? I guess only mods can do it, right? All right. Man, this is kind of a dark beat, bro. This is creepy. This is creepy. I'm gonna get copyright. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Bitcoin is about to dump hard. Bitcoin's not going so far. Red candles leaving them scars. Get punched, I'm seeing stars. Here we go, Bitcoin about to dump hard. Get hit in the face, now I'm seeing stars. Bitcoin gonna dump straight down to the ground. Turn my smile straight into a frown, baby. Here we go, Jay Casper on the treadmill. Doing every single day when I'm walking uphill. Here we go, about to go fast. Bitcoin price is about to blast. Straight into the dirt, about to get hurt. Longer Bitcoin, man, you're gonna be in the dirt, cause you got it on your shirt. Market Cipher rapping hard, that's how we do it, man, like Fred Durst. Limp Bizkit doing it every single day, hope you kiss this, Here we go, and I got it on my face. Got the green candles going up red, such a disgrace. Hey man, sandbagging free. Market Cipher dumping, man, just what I need. Got the divergences up in your face, what a disgrace. Crooked man boobs all up in your face, man. You're going so fast, Bitcoin going down straight, about to blast. Here we go, now we're coming really hard, now we're going really far. And I'm driving in my car, got a Maserati, car from the moon. Guess what, man, I'll see you in June, cause that's when Bitcoin's gonna pump. That's how we do it when we're looking like a slump. Here we go, yeah, here we go. Got a dark beat on the track, about to listen back. Here we go, Bitcoin on the move, doing it every single day. I'm so smooth, got the crypto flow, man. What do you know? Hanging out every day with my friend Joe. Got a Pikachu hat, put it on my face. Pikachu, Pokemon, what a disgrace. Got the sleeveless shirt, biceps every day. Skip leg day, curl in the squat rack. Hey, here we go. Bitcoin going on the move to the golden pocket, hitting in the groove. Yeah, now we're going really hard. Bitcoin price about to dump really far, about to dump really far. When I'm chilling in my car and I got a big scar on my face, got hit so hard, seeing stars, that's how I do it. Bitcoin price going down like I'm pooping. Yeah, got the diarrhea. Bitcoin going, man, get gonorrhea. Got the STD, doing chilling with my friend when I'm in TV. Call Trading View. Here we go, got my man Jay Koff, cashing it hard, about to go off. Call from the moon, pumping Bitcoin straight up. My man says cool, the limit says up. Here we go, got the beat. Bitcoin price keeping me all up on my feet. Now we go, Dylan Wade says he's snapping, about to go flapping. Here we go, Cushmaster says giver, about to eat some liver up for dinner. Got the vitamins, going straight to my friend with the Lizmans. About to explode. Bitcoin going straight into the road. Dumb it down, got the short. All the long trades about to get hort. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, yo. Yeah, that's a good beat, bruh. Here we go, got a good beat. Bitcoin price, man, got me on my feet. Shout out to my man with the chat. Give me the YouTube URL about that. SpongeBob in the thumbnail. Bitcoin price about to bail. Every single day chilling with my friends named Gray and Dre. Got Crypto Face and Flop and Groper up in the chat, man. They say it's not over cause they're friends with man Grover and Elmo and Big Bird. Sesame Street hanging over with the friends. Got the bands driving every single day with my mans in the backseat on my big feet. Got walking on the treadmill and I'm gray seat. Yeah. Casper Crew, baby. Cornside, baby. Yeah, that was good. That was good. I hope I was on beat with the track. I don't know. Sometimes my stream software is off beat with the track. You know? Yeah, that was a good beat, man. I'll have to deal with the copyright strike for it, you know? Was it on beat? Let me know. Put a 1 in the chat if it was on beat, guys. Alright, if it was on beat, put a 1 in the chat. You know? Let's see. I'm gonna listen back to it to see if it was on beat. I hate sometimes when my streaming software is off with my voice. Let's see. Looks like it was off beat. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, oh, that was horrible. Sounds horrible. I never know. I never know when I'm gonna be on beat or off beat with the track, because if my computer's like a little bit off, something happens, man. It's a shame. It's a shame. It was about 0.3 seconds off beat. Dang it, man. Oh well. Oh well, that one's not getting clipped. Alright, shout out to my super chats. Alright, let's see who we got in here. Alright, shout out to Juan. He says, okay, we checked the meme coin. Papa Limps. He says, stop, yell, dump, running between phone and dishes. Sorry, man. Alright, thank you for the super chat. Shout out to JGD, look at R, showing strength. Shout out to Overcome. He says, need a down-tempo Christian metalcore, deathcore, ambient, progressive, emotional price dump song. No cleans, simple jokes, ghost notes. Shout out to you, my man. I appreciate that. Alright, shout out to my man with the super chat. We're gonna take a look at Arb right now, alright? Dumped like crazy a few days ago. Oh, it's just listed, that's why. Hang on. Alright. Let's lower the music. Alright, yeah, okay, so we're looking at ARB. So the way I look at this is ARB has broken out, gotten a retest. That was a pretty dope beat, though. I have to be honest. I might use that one again in the future. Okay, yeah. So we've gotten broken out and retest. Let's go to the daily. So. So look, the daily money flows come in lower here. I would say this, for me, this is just me. I would like to see us get a move back down to around these last highs. It's a high volume node, it's a support resistance flip, and it's a golden pocket, and it would basically grab all of these lows, get people bearish, stop them out, and then get a little pumperoni and queso, alright? So, that's what I would be looking at for that, alright? Shout out to callsign RX. He says, yo, Jason, if Bitcoin doesn't close below 68.7, wouldn't that be extremely bullish? Yeah, man. Yeah, absolutely. And here's the thing, like, we're still trading that channel, right? So we're still trading in this channel. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right, we're still trading the channel. So, yeah, as long as we don't close between 68.5. That's another reason why I'm... look, guys, look. 70K is the bottom of the channel. We broke down below the midline of the channel. I say we come a little bit lower. That's just me, all right? That's just me. That's just me. All right. Is he using the 6-minute and the 12-minute most of the time? Yes, Oscar plays. Yes, I am. Because the 6-minute and the 12-minute are the best minute. If you're not on the 6-minute and 12-minute, then you're missing out, man. You're missing out. Alright? Alright. Alright, guys. Shout out to everybody in the chat. God bless everybody in the chat. In Jesus' name, even if you're not religious. Look, guys, I don't take myself seriously at all, but I do take my relationship with Jesus very seriously. Because my relationship with Jesus gives me eternal purpose in life, gives me purpose in life in general, because I know that there's something that transcends this finite existence, and that there is eternal purpose. And that's what gets me going every single day. The fact that, although man is in a sinful state, separated from God, that God himself, our creator, he took on flesh, he died to pay for our sins, every wrong thing we ever did, and then he rose again from the dead, so that if we repent from our sins and we believe in him, put our trust in him, he will fill us with his Holy Spirit and fundamentally change who we are. Literally change you, turn you into a new creation. And now we have the promise of eternal life, living in an existence that we were initially created to exist in. That is what gets me going every single day, guys. And I know not everyone believes that, and that is fine. But I do pray everybody is very blessed, and that the Lord would reveal himself to each one of you in a very personal way. I'm going to head out, guys. It's been a good stream. It's been a good day. I will see everybody in the next stream, guys. God bless and peace.